CCRG, good place to be in. Science is a global community and collaboration is the way to go.
The multilateralism of it, our fellows that are coming from around the world and the continuity of the research. Everyone's willing to talk.
Even though we are from different continents, from different countries, from different incomes, we all have the same doubts, we all have the same purposes. It's very inspiring.
It is a fantastic group, it's a great collaboration. They have a lot of opportunities ranging from transitional research, bioengineering, all the way to human subject with a huge international collaboration.
For us, junior investigators can get like that experience and turn it into the next step in clinical trials and investigation in general.
It's really easy to talk to people of different levels, at different levels of experience, and you can just walk in and you don't just get their professional answers, but you get to know them as people.
I think the structure of CCRG is not hierarchical. That's really important.
It's the inclusive and participative research where everyone can be included in the research worldwide.
We have a group of highly motivated, interested clinicians, researchers, people who are really put their heart into science.
Everyone's really friendly. There's so many different types of clinicians and people at different stages of their career.
But they also have connections that go outside the group all over the world that they're going to be able to use to kind of build your project into something even greater than what you were thinking.
They have a chance to visit here or stay here or work here. That's a fantastic experience for them.
Latitude and flexibility that comes with asking questions in the group and the network that CCRG has that brought onto the question that we were testing was just phenomenal.
The best and brightest people in every area working on all sorts of things that you just wouldn't think about.
Making friends, making connections. The most important thing is the friendship connections. We can take away all these connections back to our country to do the study.
There's so many different types of clinicians and people at different stages of their career, which is really different, and coming from industry, it's really nice to have that openness and respect.
It's amazing all the resources that you have in here from the material point of view and all that, like the clinical research that you are doing, but also the personalities that you have here that can introduce you to what basic research is.
And that provides a wonderfully supportive culture to be able to develop your ideas, have people to bounce ideas off. And I think that's the way that we find elegant solutions for complex problems.
I think that it seems like it generates a lifelong friendship.
Having this exchange is just amazing. It's unique.
And it's what science should be about. Yeah.